Is there any time you try to tell any of your managers to say, hey, are we doing this right? Are we helping these people, or we're just making money?
Absolutely, man. I push back a lot, which is why I was always wanting to just leave. Something inside me was like, man, I cannot stay here the rest of my life. I cannot just keep doing this. I think the biggest push, in particular, I'm not going to name exact bank or the exact branch, but at RBC, where I was known for just approving lines of credits for everybody, which is part of why I'm able to do what we do, because we know sort of the loopholes. I was basically pretty adamant about, like, let's just give them whatever they need. Let's lower the interest rates as much as possible. I'll use whatever my powers are to lower interest rates.
And you have the right to do that.
You have the right to do that. You have the right to do that, but then the bank makes less money, and there's this whole like revenue model where the bank is gonna make less money. But I'm thinking, hey, we're gonna save this guy. He's paying 19% interest. Let's make it 7%. Think of how much money he'll save. We'll save him this much money. He'll save it for a down payment. He'll get a mortgage with us. Let's help him out. And then branch manager saying, no, you can't do that. You can't make the rate this low. And I'm like, no, the system says I can. And then
That's what I want to know.
And we're just doing this back and forth. And I'm like, listen, like, I don't like, are you trying to make your manager happy, or are we trying to make the customer happy? Which one is it? Which is why I was like this big push for me to just get out, because I couldn't take it.
So legally in the system, you could actually lower the interest rate.
Yes.
I'm calling my bank after this.
That's it, man.
After this podcast, I'm calling all my banks. We're lowering that interest rate.